I didn't find the A7 Moonraider too difficult to do, so I'm going to try it without the pattern. The first thing I do is fold the paper in half, meet up the edges. This is folding it in half lengthwise. And open up and use the center line as your guide. Bring down the corners to be a triangle. Okay, we're going to fold over the top like 3 times. First time, I'd say 1.5 to 2 inches. Fold over again. You will fold over the point as well. So fold it so it reaches the point. Fold again. Oh, that wasn't very straight. There we go. Fold again. And fold it just to the edge. There you go. Now fold in half. And fold on half on each side so it strengthens the fold. But this is what it looks like on the inside. But you want the outside for the moment. Okay. So, I'd say about 1 inch from the edge here, you want to fold out the wings. Doesn't have to be perfect. Go to the other side, do the same thing. And then bring in, again, I'd say 1 inch to 1.5 inches, maybe 1.25 inches, the sides of the wings. Line up the edges of the wings so these may, I didn't do that too well. Oh, no, I did. So these meet. And there is your Moonraider. Now, I don't have scissors with me at the moment, but what you can do, also about 1 inch to 1.25 inches in on an angle going to the front. You can cut a piece out for the tail. Bring it up. There you have your tail. And that is the A7 Moonraider.